know how Chinese traditional veterinary medicine practitioners view tumors. It is not just a tumor or cancer itself. In TCVM, disease is not just a problem in a single organ. It reflects the imbalance of the whole body. This is Dr. Louise. Today, let's discuss tumors from the TCVM perspective. Before that, let's review Western medicine. Tumors are abnormal cell growth. They can be benign or malignant. Cancers refer to the malignant tumors that involve the tissues or spread to the organs. TCVM, however, interprets tumors differently, focus on the body's energy, blood flow, organ function, rather than just the cells. They involve patterns of the qi, blood, yin, yang, and organ functions. Commonly involves the organs including the liver, spleen, kidney, lung. According to the TCVM, tumors forms usually follow several patterns. First one, qi deficiency, or sometimes we call qi deficiency is the root of the cancer. And then we have the number one, qi stagnation. When qi movement is blocked, it can lead to slowly growing mass, often associated with emotional stressor or functional imbalance. For example, sometimes for some animals, if the animal is always unhappy, angry, and maybe you can find breast cancer. This can be the qi stagnation. Second, blood stasis. So in Chinese view, we say that the blood, the qi is the gender of the blood, and the blood carries the qi. If the qi stagnation, and then will cause the poor circulation of the blood. The poor circulation of the blood causes heart, fixed lung. That's classic described under heart tumors. These tumors often grow slowly and do not resolve by themselves. The third one is the phlegm or damp accumulation. Soft, movable lumps with fluid inside, often found in the abdomen, are linked to the dumps and phlegm accumulation. The number fourth one is the heat toxin, rapidly growing tumor with inflammation or ulceration correspond to the heat toxic party in TCVM, similar to the aggressive cancer in Western medicine. Most tumors are actually combination of these patterns. For example, in some animals we have qi stagnation leads to the blood stagnation or phlegm accumulation. TCVM emphasize the pattern differently instead of just the tumor size or types. The goal in TCVM is to restore the balance. For example, here's one dog that I treated around 2 months ago. The dog presents with a mass on the ankle. Here is the photo taken on the first TCVM visiting. Western medicine diagnosed it as a mast cell tumor. The owner worried about the surgery, so we recommend them to use traditional Chinese veterinary medicine, use Chinese herb to help the dog. From the TCVM review, the pattern of the dog is the qi stagnation and the blood stasis. So we use the herb medicine to move the qi, to relieve the stagnation, and also help the blood to move and to resolve the stasis. Here's the one photo that we take 1 week after the treatment. You can see the mass is gradually getting smaller. After 4 weeks of treatment, the mass gradually disappeared. So you can see from the Western medicine, it is a tumor. But from the TCVM, we look at the whole body, and then we use the medicine to help to the movement of the qi, to resolve the qi stagnation and blood stagnation, and then help the dog. This is a very good case to demonstrate how Chinese practitioners review the tumor and how to help the animal. So if you have any question, you can let me know and we can discuss. Or if you have any experience of cancer or tumor, we can discuss together.